Hey guys, it's Pam and I'm traveling from Turkey to Cyprus.
New Istanbul airport, waiting to board a flight from Istanbul to Cyprus, but it is going via Greece. Going through international departures at Istanbul New Airport.
This airport is quite fancy with a whole lot of designer stores. These goodies already make me miss Turkey.
Landed in Athens.
Let's quickly walk through this airport before I have to board. Something you may not know is that you cannot fly directly from Turkey to Cyprus, and hence I'm going via Athens to get to Cyprus.
I'm leaving Athens at the moment on my way to Cyprus, and Cyprus you've got to land at specific airports, otherwise it's considered illegal to enter Cyprus. I'm going to Larnaca airport.
This is my first flight with Asian Airlines and it seems to be quite good. It's about a 1 hour 30-minute flight from Athens to
Landed in Larnaca in Cyprus. Oh, it's a bit hot here. It's a lot warmer than Turkey was. Sure, going through to immigration. Let's see what documentation they ask for. A PCR test here if you don't have the vaccination certificate. I'm actually not sure what the process is. So it seems that if you have a vaccination certificate, then you don't need the PCR test to enter Cyprus. I did it anyway yesterday or the day before, just in case, because people don't really know what documentation they wanted. So now going through to immigration. So to find the bus going to Larnaca, you walk out of the airport terminal, go up the escalator. So it's that escalator, go out of the building, she said, and then you basically walk to the end, and I've got to get bus 425. And if we look at this doesn't exactly say the bus is upstairs. Interesting. But she was helpful enough. Very nice people. Walked out of there and we're gonna walk straight across here. For a very small place, it's quite busy. There's Costas. Didn't see any Costa in Turkey. So still walking. I don't see any buses. There are people not wearing masks outside, so I assume that it's fine to not wear a mask outside, except for inside. I've still got my jacket on from Turkey, which was cold, and Athens wasn't all that warm either. But here it's extremely warm. First 4:25. Let's see how. Thank you. So what's really cool here is they drive on the same side of the road as us. I've gotten off the bus and it's supposed to be a 3-minute walk to the hotel,